Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, all three pieces of my little blue series are dry. So let me just move this for a second and bring up all three pieces side by side. So we have the regular blue, then we have the rose gold, and then let me show you first a close-up of the antique copper, dried so well. So oh my gosh, I mean, that would have been real bad. Oh my goodness. So there you go. I mean, look at that. Let's kind of move these out of the way. There you go. There you have it. All three pieces. Look at that. I mean, I love them all in their own way. I loved this when I did it, and I still do, but now it just lacks color to me because these have a pop of color in them. But I mean, look at that. Let's see if I can pick this up. There we go. Let's see. There you go. I mean, which one do you like? A, B in the middle, or C? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which one? I mean, they all have their own unique, style and color. But if I had to pick which one I liked, this one. That one is my absolute favorite. There is something about that antique copper that really pops to me. These are so pretty. I mean, you could even do it like a diptych. It's they're all available. They all still need a top coat of crystal resin, obviously. But they are all available for purchase. If anyone's interested, you know what to do. You can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. All right, let's make sure we're centered here. Bring these guys back. All right, you guys are watching this on Tuesday. Tomorrow, on Wednesday, I am taking Echo. Anthony and I are taking Echo to the neurologist. We're getting, hopefully, I'm going to demand it, blood work done, and just to start with an x-ray and see what we get from there. If x-rays don't show anything and they can't figure it out, then we'll move to a CT scan, which I hope I don't have to do. But we'll see tomorrow what the vet or the neurologist says, and I will update you guys as soon as I have any answers. You'll probably get updates on Facebook first because my next video won't be until Saturday. So he is now on new meds. I got new meds for him on Saturday. Metacam, I think it is. He got a bunch of syringes. It's a liquid medicine. And I gotta say, it is helping him tremendously. So I'm happy that he's not suffering right now, but we still need to figure out what on earth is wrong with him. But the meds for now are helping. So I'm very grateful for that. Niagara Falls is less than 3 weeks away. I'm still going to go ahead with the event. Someone had said just cancel it. I cannot cancel an event that I've been planning for like 5 months. I also have put down deposits to the room that I have booked that we're going to be painting in. Not deposits, I've actually paid in full, non-refundable, and that ain't cheap in Niagara Falls. And people have booked flights and hotel rooms and booked car rentals because there are so many people coming from the US for this workshop. So heck no, am I not going to cancel the event. Echo's sick, I get it, but the show must go on. I mean, I still have to do and want to. I really want to. I cannot wait to go to Niagara Falls. I cannot wait to teach my classes and meet new faces and meet new students and have a great time and have a little bit of a distraction from what is going on here at home with Echo. In my last video, oh, and if you want to come to Niagara Falls, I still have a few spots left. That's happening July 19th. I'm teaching 3 classes, a blowout class, a bloom class, and a resin top coating class. So I still have spots left. You can take 1 class, 2, or all 3. The more classes you take, you get a better, bigger discount. So I still have spots available. If you want to come, email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. In my last video, I told you guys I had good news I wanted to share. I will share that news with you once I figure out what on earth is going on with Echo and that, stuff has been dealt with. I mean, some of you have had some interesting guesses. Some of you have emailed me with your guess and makes me laugh. But I will share my good news with you guys when everything is done with Echo. But yeah, good things coming ahead, that's for sure. All right, let's get started to today's painting. As you can see, we are doing a pale pastel-y yellow. So the yellow is made up of Primary Yellow by Amsterdam. Let me see, I've got it right here. Primary Yellow by Amsterdam, and it is semi-opaque. But I've mixed it in with obviously my Titanium White by Amsterdam, which is fully opaque. So, I mean, this is pretty much opaque now. So there is my light creamy yellow. Okay, 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I'm going with some really interesting colors here. So let's see what happens. And I have 7, which is insane because I don't usually do 7 on such a small canvas, but it's me and I break my own rules. So we've got Cadmium Orange by Amsterdam's Expert series. Then we have Pearl Hot Pink by Arteza. We're going to add a little bit of 24 karat gold by DecoArt for that shimmer in those cells. Then I have Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam, followed by a smidgen of Berry by DecoArt. Then we have Pearl Tangerine Orange by Arteza. And then we've got Permanent Magenta by Winsor and Newton. I mean, what do you think? This color combo should look pretty good to me. I mean, the colors look great. It is a lot of colors, but again, I break my own rules. On a 12 by 16 inch canvas, I typically do 5 colors, maybe 6. This is what I teach my students, 5 to 6 colors max. But I'm using 7. But again, I like to break my own rules sometimes, and you can too, but that's just my suggestion. Got my flower hair dryer. I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, this is yellow. She's definitely yellow. So let's get started. I mean, I was gonna add purple in here, but then I was like, no, I'm gonna stick to the pinks and the orange and yellows. So, I mean, I don't know. Let's see what happens here. I could have done like a bunch of yellows, but then I feel like it would have gotten lost with the base background color. So I figured I'd choose colors that were vibrant and pop. And I've got a clog. Oh yeah, did you see that? I had a boogie clog in there, but we're all good now. All right, so let's see here. Okay, we've got 24 karat gold now, so definitely gonna be light-handed on the 24K because I also have another DecoArt coming up. And we're light-handed with those DecoArt metallics because they will eat up all my other colors. So we definitely want to be careful with that. All right, got the yellow. I have a feeling this is going to be good. Or at least I hope so. All right, Berry by DecoArt. Again, light-handed on the berry. Okay, let's see. Pearl Tangerine. Let's see what we are gonna end up with here. It's a lot of colors and it's also a lot of paint. I just realized I'm squeezing like I normally would with less colors, but all right. Last but not least, Winsor and Newton. That is a lot of colors, but let's see what happens. Let's pop the bubbles. Okay, let's blow it out. I'm impressed. I'm so impressed with these colors. I mean, the Winsor and Newton Permanent Magenta did take over a little bit, but I'm not mad at that. But I am going to fix this part here because I kind of want negative space here. But the cells that are forming are so pretty. I mean, yeah, I kind of want to see more of the background color of the pale yellow. So I'm going to do some little adjustments here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's so much better. Oh, I like that. I like it. Oh, I got just the tip. Just the tip. Look at that. Just the tip of my jacket. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try that again. Hold everything in. Just little light blows and you can really control where you want the paint to go. I love it. Wow, that's so sunset to me. Not sunrise, more like sunset. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm gonna fix my edges and I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Alrighty, so, I mean, it's been like 15 minutes since I stopped recording. I got busy. I got a phone call from my mom. So yeah, it's been like 15 minutes, but look how it looks. But again, before we get to that, let's scrape the drips, which I haven't done on any of my sides yet. Because again, I got totally sidetracked and distracted, talking to my mom. The kids are down at my mom's and dad's for a week, and they're having so much fun with their cousins and swimming in the pool, my brother's pool. But yeah, anywho, let's get to the close-up. I mean, it's definitely totally expanded since I stopped recording. Like if you go back to the video and rewind and see what it looked like when I stopped recording and then look at it now, you can probably see a significant difference in the painting. But let's turn the lights off and check out the shimmer. Alrighty, so there's gonna be a lot of shimmer in here because I've got 2 DecoArts, and then the Arteza pearls are in here as well. I mean, there's obviously purple in here, even though I didn't have purple in the lineup of colors, but you know, yellow and orange make purple, if I remember my color wheel. But yeah, I mean, look at this. I can't wait to see how this dries. Lots of shimmer, so much shimmer. And there you have it, everybody. Would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. You know, the more I think about it, the more it should have been like a light pastel-y kind of color palette. And I totally went dark with those magentas. Now that I think about it, I mean, I was doing light colors. I did the light green and the light pink and the light blue and the light purple. They're all down here, by the way. So, I mean, I guess I should have stuck with lights, but I don't know. Something was calling me to do the magentas. I may do this again, but with a totally different color palette. So we'll see. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And yeah, that is it. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.